Hello viewers, welcome to Dan Concept YouTube channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. In this place a lot of things is taught. This is a class where you will learn anything you want to learn, be it of anything. You got to learn everything. When I say everything in AutoCAD, in Revit, SketchUp V-Ray, you are going to learn all those things and lots more I'm going to be bringing up in this channel. All you need is to turn your notification button and subscribe to this very channel, and you'll be receiving my videos anytime I upload them. You receive them. Yes, you will receive them, and you always follow up and know what step have just uploaded, because it's going to be taught step by step. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and always like my video. Ask your question in the comment section and I will get back to you. Thank you.